Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making a sweet potato pie nice cream. Now all we're going to need for this recipe is around 2 cups of frozen cubed sweet potato. Now this has been perfectly cooked in my Instant Pot, and then I have frozen it. Now it's roughly around 2 medium sweet potatoes. If you don't want to try to cup it out, just use 2 frozen sweet potatoes. Now we also have a dry spice mix of half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then 1/8 of a teaspoon of clove, and then nutmeg. And we also have 1/4 cup of a plant-based milk. I'm using my walnut milk. And then we have 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Now you can be 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, depending on how sweet you want it. 1 tablespoon is more than enough sweetness for me. So I'm gonna bring you guys in here and we're gonna get started. All right guys, for this recipe, all we're going to need to do is add our ingredients to our food processor. I'm using my Ninja Auto IQ food processor and blender. We're gonna put in the sweet potatoes. We've also got our tablespoon of maple syrup and our milk. That is my walnut milk. And then you also have your spice mix. Awesome. Now we're just gonna let that blend. It'll probably be roughly 30 seconds to a minute. And if we need to, we'll stop and scrape the sides, but I think this should blend just fine. All right, that took right at around a minute. Looks like we have perfectly blended sweet potato pie nice cream. Now I'm going to get the kitchen cleaned up. I'm gonna get a bowl dished up and I'll see you in a second. All right guys, I got the kitchen tidied up. I've got my sweet potato pie nice cream ready to go, and I've gotta be honest, this one was tough to even get to this point in filming because I could just devour this right away. I'm going to give it a try. Guys, it's one of my favorite things about the Thanksgiving, the fall season, is sweet potato pie, sweet potato anything. My friends and family call me sweet potato sometimes. This tastes just like a sweet potato pie in a nice cream bowl. It's a frozen dish, it's fantastic. I really hope you guys give this one a try. If you do, let me know how it goes in the comment section below or on Facebook at The Plant-Based Gabriel. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you want to see more plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button on Facebook, and make sure you hit that little bell to get notified when I post new videos. And check out my Facebook page or my website, plantbasedgabriel.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you very soon.